everybody, it's Davita with WTI, and I have to show you my absolutely beautiful nightstand. This is the Convenience Concepts Designed to Go tray table. Now, what I absolutely love about this tray table is that it's foldable. You don't have to use it as a nightstand, so that means it's multi-purpose. I think this would also be really great set up as a little stand in your living room. Maybe you could put drinks on it. I think it would be really cute next to a sofa. I really like it for the design that I'm going for here in my bedroom. It's great if you even have a small space and you're looking to just spice it up and really design it. I think that this is a beautiful modern farmhouse design and I absolutely love it. It is made out of a solid wood material, so I find it to be really durable. Those are just a few things that I really like about it, and I hope you will too. And that's my point of view.